Hey guys, so right now I am out at the farm. I'm being followed by lammies. Logan, so this is Logan. He's the oldest. This is Leash, she's the second oldest. Guys, this is Toby, he is the youngest. You lucky you survived, aren't ya? They're very fond of me. Especially this little one, he's fond of everyone. Peppa! This one little here is Pepper. Up, and then is my dog. Barking at Sammy. Logan, come here. Come here. Okay. Logan, where are you off to? Okay, let's follow him. Whee! Oh, calm down, Logan. Calm down. Logan, throne? No throne. Normally he lets me sit on him. Hey, Turbo. Say hello to the camera. You're on camera. Do not eat that. Peppa, want a pat? Of course you do. Throne? Logie, you want to do throne today? Logie, come here. Up. Up, Logie. Logie, up. Ah, no. Logie, throne? Want to do throne? Throne? I wonder if they're going to do throne today. Probably not. Logie, throne, come here. No? Okay. They do not want to do throne. My horsey is just standing there a bit. Ow! Come here. Logie. Logie up. Logie. Oh, okay. Yep, I think he wants to do throne. It's where I sit on him. Doesn't hurt him though, does it? Say hello. We are doing stuff today. Buddy, don't do that. Okay, let's go meet Buddy. Come on, Lammies, let's go meet Buddy. They already know who Buddy is, since we keep him out here. And they're all running after me. Buddy. This is Buddy. Buddy, say hi. This is my little pony Buddy. Had him forever. Him and the sheep are friends. Do not eat that. This is my sheepy. This is Pepper. He is actually my lamb. These are all orphans. Their mums abandoned them. They're not all the exact same age though. Yeah. Anyway, so that's all for today, guys. There's not much. There's not much really to do out here. Then pet the animals. Hold my brother, please. So yes. Okay. So we're gonna go next. Not next door. You're wondering what I'm doing? I'm running across the paddock from one side to the other. We go see all the other sheep. Up we go under this little piece of wire. Oh, I got a bug on me. Ignore this. Other sheepies. Okay. Don't think they feel like pets today. You want a pet? That one only. No pets. Okay. No pets today. That was random. Whoops. But yes, there's a lot of sheep. What else? Nothing really. There's a tree. Logan, the first sheep, the oldest sheep, he knows 2 tricks. Throwing it up. He didn't want to do any though. He also knows handshake like my dogs, except they do it differently. My dogs are old, so they just lick my hand, and yeah, pretty sure he just tries to nibble my hand. But yes. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've been in there. There used to be sheep, used to be goats, Nibble and Crunch, which is where I got the name Nibbles from. They were running at me before. Logan! Logan! Come here! Come on, Logan! Don't worry, they have good brakes. Oh. Hello. Hello. Friends forever, right? Logan, want to throw? Want to throw? Good? Want to grab a throw? Want to do it? Want to do it? No? Okay, Logan, handshake. See? This is a sheep. They can't really give me their hoof. Woo! Don't eat my jacket. He's eating my jacket. No, don't eat my camera either. I think we need that. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Bye.